Yo everyone, this is the Badland. This is the review. I'm gonna do an unboxing with this. I bought it for $2.79 because there's on sale for liquidation, so they're trying to get rid of some of the stuff, and so that they got rooms for the new one. So let's do this. Let's check it out. All right, this is what it's inside. I got some wheels in the back. This is in the front. This one as well. I don't know what is this. Probably that's from the plate. Yeah, this is the extension plate. Got this one too. They include you everything, the hardware that you can use. You don't have, if you have a wrench, you can use your own wrench, stuff like that. This is the owner's manual. I'm gonna read it first before I'm gonna install this thing. I'll see you in the process. Alright everyone, this is what it looked like. You got some grease already. This is your Allen right here. You can push it out, push it in, push it out to remove it. So I'll show you how to install this, everything in here, including the tires. Looks not bad though actually. Let's see how this works. So right now I'm gonna install this. Put this right here. Sorry, I lied that you need an extra Allen wrench to do this job. They don't provide you. Let's see here. There. Make sure you just snug. Over tighten it. Okay. So first thing you have to do is screw with this washer and just put it in there. It's kind of tight though. This is annoying. So that's pretty much it. This one's kind of annoying to put on. Come on, get in there. Get in there, buddy. Alright, that's how you do it. Alright, so if you want to install this right here, if you want to, you're in the middle of nowhere, you can use this provided Allen. Yes, Allen. Here, install it right here, just like that. Much better. So, this one sticks forever. Okay, so use both hands. Put it back here, so keep it safety. It's really snug. I never tied it so good. Tied it like that. It doesn't move. Now, if you don't need this, if you want to store it, remove this. Put it here for now. Want to store this bad boy. Check this handle right here. Okay. Yeah, if you want to store this thing, put it down. See this right here. And screw this in. Okay, as you can see right here. Screw that in. That's like that. Snug it. Put this thing on. It says safety. Move. Like that. Nice and locked right there. It doesn't move anything. You can secure this too if you want to. See? Nice and snug. Alright, now we're gonna install the front tires. Of course, this is no brainer. All the way. That. Like that all the way. This is secure. Just put it like that. Yes. That's how you put it on. I'm not sure. tight it out. Just like that. Nice and snug. Okay. Other side as well. Move this real quick right here. I think it doesn't matter any side you want to go. Okay. Oop. Put this on right there. Probably just like that. Not sure, but I think that's supposed to be like that. Okay, then I'll see you in the back side of the tire. Now I'll show you in the back side, the same thing. Put the wheel on all the way. Put this washer. Put this nut. Okay, same thing on the other side. This wheel on. All the way. Put the nut on. There you go. And tighten it. Okay. Same thing on the other side. Right side. Okay, it's all done. All right, so you got this handle, of course, no brainer. Put this hole right here, there. That's what you switch. It should go up. You pump it. Oh, this thing. Oh, I forgot this. A lot of people get bent with this plastic right here. You gotta remove this. So I don't know how to remove this. So, hey, a lot of YouTubers that they bent this thing, the frame, a small stainless steel. I don't know how you're gonna remove this, guys, but figure out. Holy shoot! All right, let me try this one. This, come on, woof. Now it's gone. Now I can use. So what I'm gonna do is trying to put this on. Maybe you can put it here. No. So get this. Okay, it doesn't move. There you go. There you go. Make sure it's tight right here. See that in the bottom. Take it off, align it, hand tied it. Put this on right here. Boom. Jacks. Wow. So this one, if you want to move the jack, lock this up. This. Oh, 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 oh. It came off. So the reason why I bought this jack is, look at this. This is how I work here. It's all sand because I live in a campground. Wow. My life's gonna be easy when I work. Every car's in here. Just like my truck right here. I'm gonna work on. That's so easy. I have a floor jack that I'm gonna video tomorrow and compare it. I did all the work in here. It's sandy here in Florida. This one is so nice. And I was struggling to. This is the lock. Pump it on. Yo, wow. Easy breezy, man. Alright, I'm gonna carry this in my truck. Let's see how it's easy as that. So I can use it right here. Use one hand. Let's do it facing that way. Put it in the bed of my truck. Fits perfectly right there. Nice and easy.